The price of Restorative Yoga for Beginners comes in at $11.99, and I've had the book for about 9 months. Now, I always talk about pros and cons, starting off with the cons. There's only one con to this book, and that is in the book you'll see there's just blank pages. And whenever I see like a lot of blank space, I feel like the author is just trying to make the book longer. Now, the pros of this book is that one, it's affordable. $11.99, like come on, that's cheaper than any yoga class that I've been to. Two, it's beginner friendly, meaning she doesn't use like a bunch of complex yoga terms or Sanskrit. And three, there's endless class opportunities because she puts classes in the book and then she breaks down singular poses so you can customize your own class. Now, there's two reasons why you should not get this book. The number one reason is if you don't want to invest in yoga props, you're not going to like this because restorative yoga does require a lot of props. And you're going to see that in the book, and then if you go to a YouTube video and they say like, oh, just use some pillows on your bed or just use some books. It's not the same experience as a nice, firm bolster. And then second, do not get this book if you like workout yoga or vinyasa style yoga and you don't want to slow down. Now, if you want to slow down, you'll like this book, but I'm telling you, this is not a fat burning exercise. You're not getting your heart rate up. You're not burning a bunch of calories. Restorative yoga, restore, relax and unwind. Once you take restorative yoga, you will know what I mean. Now, all that negative energy is out of the way. This book is for you. Either if you want to try something new, like let's say you have a great workout routine, whether that be your yoga or not, and if you're looking to relax. If you are living a life where you are very stressed out from work or your family, and you've gone to work, you come home, you've cleaned your house, you've taken care of your children, husband or wife is playing on their phone, and you just want to take some time for you, you need to start practicing restorative yoga because it will slow all this worry down. It will bring you back to the present moment. And truly, a book like this can help you. You don't have to go to an expensive yoga class. I want to point out too, like with this book, because restorative yoga postures are held for like 5 or I'm not joking, even 30 minutes. You can flip around in the book and be like, okay, this looks good. You set yourself up and then you set a little timer for 10 minutes. You close your eyes, turn the lights down, you've got on your favorite relaxing music, the timer goes off, you restart the timer, and then you pick another yummy pose that looks good to you, or you just follow along one of the classes and then are a new woman or man